Hey everyone, this is Sheetal here. Today I'll be showing you how to straighten your hair at home by using a straightening machine and also the few tips and tricks to avoid your hair getting damaged from the heat. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for the notification. So in this way you will not miss any of my videos. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video.
First tip is to oil your hair in the night, and this acts as a leave-in conditioner. I regularly use Parachute aloe vera hair oil and this helps to protect my hair from damage. Tip 2 is rinse your hair with shampoo and conditioner. By doing this, the hair straightening process becomes more easy. Number 3 is use a hair dryer.
First, I'm gonna dry my hair with the hair dryer. So it's like when you don't dry your hair, there are more chances of your hair getting damaged while ironing.
I use this step only when I'm getting late, or else I leave my hair 30 to 40 minutes to dry naturally. Instead of using heat protecting spray, I'm using a aloe vera spray to protect my hair from damage.
Today I'll be using the Hector Professional Hair Straightener to straighten my hair. Before that, I would set the temperature to 210. Okay, I have a temperature setting here, and it says like plus and minus, and I need to hold for a few seconds to set my the machine temperature. So before that, I'm gonna brush my hair. I'll make this as a partition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tie my hair one side because I'm gonna work one side first, then take out the smaller section first from the back. I'll just roll this out like this and I'll use this clip. I'm gonna use this comb and I'll just brush my hair first. And so what I'm gonna do is I'll just take this like comb. So I'll keep my comb this way and I'll just hold my hair.
This way I'm gonna repeat the entire process for my whole hair. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like my video.